Web browsers are software that you can use to access the internet. The most popular ones are Internet Explorer, Firefox, Google Chrome, and Safari, which is for Macs. Firefox is the recommended browser for Brandman students. We will use it in our examples. In Firefox, you can create favorite pages. This is a great way to save the web pages you visit often to have easy access to them. To create a favorite, go to the web page you want to save, such as the Leatherby Library's homepage. In the address bar, you will see a star. When you click on it, it turns yellow, indicating that it is saved as a favorite. If you click on the star again, a menu will appear. From here, you can add your favorite bookmark to the Bookmarks toolbar. A link to your page will appear at the top of the page for easy access. You can improve searches by using Boolean operators. What are they? They are connectors that help you determine the relationship between words. The three operators are AND, OR, and NOT. AND will help you narrow down your results. For example, let's say you wanted information about the effects of sleep deprivation on memory. You want to find information that contains all of these words. You would type sleep and memory. Keep in mind that Google automatically adds the AND in between words when you conduct a search. OR will help you broaden your search. Here's another example. Let's say you wanted to find information about cats. There are many ways of referring to a cat, and you want to find all the information that is available. In your search, you would type cats or felines. That way, it will find all of the information about cats and all of the information about felines. You have increased your search results. If you want to search to omit certain words, use the NOT operator. For example, let's say you wanted information about smartphones, but you did not want to find information about iPhones. In your search, you would write smartphones, not iPhones. Now it will search for smartphones and it will leave out any web pages that mention iPhone. You have narrowed your results. These operators are also available in the library's databases. You can also search for information in specific types of websites. For example, if you want to find information about mortality rates in government websites only, you can type this into the search box. Cite:/gov, mortality rates. It will only find websites that have the .gov ending, or government websites. Here are some other popular examples. Cite:/edu, or education. Colleges and universities will have this on their website. Cite:/org, mainly nonprofit and non-commercial websites. Organizations like the Red Cross will have this. Cite:/net, mainly meant for technology service providers, but is also used as an alternative to .com websites. You can also use the advanced search feature. To get to it, search for something in the general search box. When you get to the results page, go to the right and click on the wheel for options and select Advanced Search. Advanced Search will let you search by language, number range, and more. You can also apply the Boolean search techniques we discussed earlier in this video in the Advanced Search. Google Scholar, found at scholar.google.com, is a great place to find scholarly articles. You can use the same search techniques mentioned in the basic Google section to find articles in Google Scholar. In this example, I searched for articles that mention sleep and memory. Remember, you cannot limit to peer-reviewed articles in these searches like you can in the library's databases. Here are some items to look at when you see the list of results. Anytime. Select the publication times of the information you find. You can select a year or click on Custom Range to select dates. Where can I get this? This will help you locate the item. If we do not have what you need, you can submit an interlibrary loan request. For each article, you will find the following information: article title, authors, publication name and year of publication, abstract, related articles, and number of people that have cited this article. Remember, Google Scholar is just one of many places you can use to locate articles. It is highly recommended that you use the library's databases in addition to Google Scholar. You can change the settings in Scholar so that it recognizes that you are affiliated with Chapman University. It connects users to the library's databases, which provide access to full-text documents not freely available through the web. To change the settings, go to scholar.google.com and click on the icon that looks like a wheel or a gear that says Settings. On the left side, click on Library Links. Type in Chapman University into the search box and click on the search button. Once you see it appear, make sure it is checked off and click on Save. Now when you search and click on Where Can I Get This?, it will redirect you to the library site where you can log in to access the article's full text. A great place to search for images online is through Flickr. You can search for images that you can legally use in presentations and more. Search for an image by typing in your words into the search box above. In this example, we will search for images of cats. It is recommended that you search the Commons because the images there are free to use. No special permission is needed to use them. The images on the Commons are intended for public use in varying degrees. Remember, you still need to cite them. Once you find an image you want to use, make sure you cite it. In this example, I will use an image of former President Clinton's cat, Socks. Take a look at the license section on the right. Here it will tell you what kind of license it has. For Creative Commons images, you will likely see no known copyright restrictions, which means you don't need to ask for special permission to use it, but you still need to cite it. Also, below the image, you will see all of your citation information. For more information about citations, please see the Leatherby Library's Citation and Style Guides, found under the Research section on the right side of the library homepage. Additional resources are available for help with APA and MLA citations, Blackboard, library use, and more. We have reached the end of our tutorial. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us anytime. I, Norma Juarez-Durian, am the main contact for Ameritas College, but feel free to talk to one of our other Brandman librarians. We are available Monday through Friday. If you need help during the weekend, librarians are available 12 p.m. to 5 p.m. at the reference desk, or you can call or email.